sound than our guy that was giving it to us for that.
Walls bowed. Go ahead, guy. I'm just talking to myself here on the phone. Walls are bowed.
I don't even know who to look for.
This here is it's got to be cleaned out. We've got fly or ash behind the housing. This is a new job. This is my introduction to the job. It's going to be a Fireplace damper, which is 18 by 18. And it's got a hinge assembly on it. This stays fixed, so this goes down further. This is all just burnt out. It's a skin casing that goes all the way around this. So this damper is the lid to the skin casing. We make all this out of 1/8, the damper plate, and this repair plate. This repair plate is going to need a couple of ears. So when I draw it up, we'll have an ear probably 2 inches coming off with holes so that I can put stainless steel self-tapping screws into the existing skin casing and tie it in. I also have a gasket, a fireproof gasket that I can put on there, and we can seal that up. We're about 27 degrees of slope in the back, with 90 degrees being this way. We're about 27 degrees. You got a chain on this side, you got a chain on this side. The door pivots off of this 1/2 inch round stock. Looks like you got a couple of old chains they cut and put in here to house that, which it worked. So we're welded here to this one. That's our one pivot point, and then I cut this one to get it out of there. So I'm going to need a coupling to go on to the existing piece that I can attach to the new. I have the coupling already attached here, so I would have to go into the existing piece and maybe have a set screw in there, something like that. Anyway, on top of this 1/8 inch plate, this 18 by 18, this is 3/8 by 5 by 2, and we've got 2 of those. We've got our 1/2 inch round stock. This is just some 3/8 round stock that they put in there for stops, just to keep it in check. Nothing special there. Looks like it's handmade many moons ago. So this mechanism here is a 2-way lock. This is the top, and this side's going to be the bottom. So the other side is the same exact way. That way when it closes, it seals. I might have to manipulate that lip on the existing skin casing so that it would close relatively flat. It's going to be an energy waster, but I mean, I can make it a lot better. One other thing I was thinking about doing was possibly, you know, this is going to be coming down 20 inches. Possibly put an ash door there so that the ash wouldn't build up. It builds up and then it's got nowhere to go. So it probably should have an ash door. So that's something I'm going to look at before we cut it out. Update on our fireplace repair. I've got a ash door that I'm putting in. It's going to be an 8-inch circle. It's going to be a 7-inch opening, and we're going to have 8 stainless steel 1/2 inch bolts, and I will kill the bolts on the other side so that we can take the plate off and on easily. We'll just make that out of 1/8. I think that'll be just fine. And if I have enough gasket material, we'll put that around there too. There's the damper plate. Here's the top of the repair plate. That's going to be a bend, 5/8 inch overhang, and 2-inch ear, 2-inch ear, and then I've got stainless steel self-tapping screws that'll go into this. Oh, also the 27 degrees is going to be incorporated into the plate. Okay, this is the file of 1/8 inch. We've got the skin casing repair, the damper, 2 washers, and a cover. Loaded on the table. Okay. That's how it's going to cut it. forgot these relief cuts.
It's got